My video is about getting rid of the fake and scary pop-ups claiming to be related to Windows support, but these are totally fake alerts. Such fake alerts normally come from the random website, not related to Microsoft, and all these pop-ups are of course not associated with Microsoft in any way. Such pop-ups quote this fake Windows support number +1 844 299 2221. But once again, keep in mind that this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows, so you should not trust these deceptive pop-ups on your computer. Don't ever interact with these deceptive messages. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware on your computer. I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So, through this resource, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start researching your system with its help in order to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.